Hey tartelettes, it's Deanna. Today I'm going to do a chit chat get ready with me. It's going to be a really basic look, but I'm going to tell you some random facts that you do not know about me. So for foundation, I'm going to be using our Shape foundation. I am using the hydrating one because my skin is super dry right now. In fact, that just reminded me, I'm going to first put our maracuja oil all over my face because it's super dry, especially my nose. Just going to drop this everywhere, forehead, cheeks, and just rub it all in. My skin is so dry in the winter. Okay, so first random fact that you might not know about me is that I am obsessed with Disney, and I have been to Disney every single year since I was born. My family is crazy obsessed. We're going in April and I'm so excited. I'll probably vlog while I'm there. But yeah, I'm super excited to go, and no matter how many times I go, I still get so excited, and my family's like super Disney crazy. My husband, Mark, is actually not really a Disney crazy person, so he doesn't understand it sometimes, but I still make him come, and he always has a good time. But yeah, we recently did like, this was kind of funny, we did a fast pass party because if you go to Disney these days, you will know that it's pretty crazy. You have to like plan everything out way in advance, and you can start booking your fast passes 60 days before you go to, before your reservation. And that's only if you are staying at a Disney hotel. If you're not staying at a Disney hotel, I think you have to wait 30 days before you go on vacation there. So it's pretty crazy, and this year there's about 25 of us going, so it's gonna be so fun, but we have a lot of planning to do, obviously, with that many people. So we had a little party, everyone wore something Disney, which was really funny. Yeah, it was a good time. So that's something that you might not know about me. I'm a Disney fanatic. I feel like I want to be a Disney blogger. What else? So now I'm just blending this out with our shaper sponge. Now moving on to brows. I always like to do brows right after foundation. And I'm using our new Busy Gal Brow, and I have been obsessed with this because it gives so much pigment with this tiny little wand. It's so precise, but it gives so much pigment, and it holds your brows in place because of the gel. So I'm just going to apply and brush it out. So another thing you might not know about me is that I love kids, and I actually used to want to be a teacher, and I babysit still. I mean, I don't as much because I don't have as much time now that I work all the time, but sometimes when I go home, I'll, you know, text the people that I used to babysit for and be like, do you want a babysitter for the night? Just because, you know, it's just so fun for me. I don't know why. Some people hate it, but I love it. Next, I'm gonna get started on my eye look. I'm just gonna stay neutral because I'm just going out to dinner with Mark and his family. So I'm gonna be using our Tartelette Toasted palette. So I'm gonna go with cashmere into my crease, and then I'm probably just going to dust some latte all over the lid, do a little bit of this warmth and flame, and then pop that candle shade in my inner corner. Another thing you might not know about me is that I actually played Division I soccer in college. I am very into sports, I'm very competitive, and I played basketball in high school, so sports are a big part of my life and a big part of my family's life. And my dad was my basketball coach, which people always think that, you know, if you're the daughter of the coach that, or the son of the coach, that, you know, you get it easy on you. It's the complete opposite. My dad was extra hard on me because he could be, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. Okay, so I just put that cashmere shade all in my crease, and now I'm going to take some of that warmth shade and put it in my outer corner. And I actually changed my mind. Instead of using the shade Flame all over my lid, I'm going to use the shade Sunset all over my lid. And one thing that actually drives my husband crazy, he's in the other room laying down right now, but when I tap, he's like, you're getting makeup everywhere. So I have to secretly do it because when I'm in his car, he gets really mad when I do that. I'm just going back and I'm blending that all together. My husband actually played lacrosse at my college, so he also is very into sports. He probably wishes he could still play lacrosse, but what else can I tell you guys? Oh, this is pretty cool. I actually knew my great-great-grandparents. That's something a lot of people don't know about me, actually. I knew my great-great. And my parents were high school sweethearts, and they have been together since they were 15, which is pretty cool. And I have an older sister and a younger brother. My younger brother is, I call him my little brother still, but he's not little and he's like 6'4", so I don't know where he got the height in the family because my sister and I are like 5'3" and he's 6'4". I'm like, what? Why didn't I get that? I just always wanted to be like 5'5" at least. And mainly because in that song they sing 5'5" with brown eyes, and I'm like, well, I have brown eyes, but I'm not 5'5". All right, so now I'm just taking that shade Cozy right here and going to line my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking that candle shade and popping it in my inner corner. So now the eye look is done. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and then I'm going to pop on my favorite lip. Like I said, this was like a quick, you know, didn't really do everything. I'm not doing blush or highlighter or anything like that. So I'm using our Gifted mascara. This was my original favorite at Tarte. I do love Maneater and I do love Lifted. These are all three of my favorites. And I recently just switched back to this because I haven't used it in a while. And so the final random fact about me, if you're still tuned in, is that I actually used to intern for Ramona Singer from The Real Housewives of New York. I interned for her in New York, obviously, and it was a really great experience. It was like my first experience with public relations in the PR world, and that's how I first started. When I first came to Tarte, I was doing PR, and then I went over to the social media team, and now here I am today. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm going to top it off with my favorite lipstick ever, Salt Life. If we ever get rid of this, I don't know what I will do. I have like 5 of these in like 5 different bags. It's like the perfect mauve color. I love it so much. This is the final look. It was super quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning those random facts about me. Let me know in the comments down below if you are a Disney fan like me, and let me know what video you want to see next. Until next time, tartelettes, bye!